The stars fill my eyes, a strange and beautiful sight, and voices singing in the sky, calling through the silent night, bring me to my knees. Let's go over that part. 1 second. Okay, so the stars, you just have both of your index finger, and you put them up like shooting stars. The stars fill my eyes, strange as you do a C with your right hand, and you cross it across your face. So it's just kind of a flick of the wrist. Strange. Beautiful is you start with your hand flat, and then you're going to open it up like you're imagining a beautiful face. So you circle your face. Beautiful. Okay, sight, you use your two fingers like this, point them underneath the eye, and you look up. Okay, so stars fill my eyes, strange and beautiful sight. You're not going to say see twice. So you're going to say stars fill my eyes, strange and beautiful sight. And voices singing, you're going to do your hand, this is your left hand, palm flat, thumb here, out in front of you, not straight, but kind of at an angle. And you're going to have this hand that's flat, and you sweep it back and forth like a choir director. Voices singing, in, your arm comes to that angle straight across in front of you. It's like at a 45-degree angle almost, or 90 degrees, something like that. All your hands, your fingers, your thumb, all flat together. This is the same, hand, fingers together. You come in underneath your hand like you're going in under the door. Okay, that's in. Voices singing, in. The sky, you're going to drop this left hand down. Your right hand's going to swoop up, and you can kind of relax it so they're not completely together. So sky, you're like motioning to the clouds and the sky and the atmosphere. Voices singing in the sky. Calling is two C's. A C with your right hand and your left hand. Come to either side of your mouth and come out, almost like a trumpet. Okay, voices singing this. Calling through is like this. You have your hand, once again, like you're going to go in, but instead you separate the fingers and your hand comes through. Okay, you just through. All right, calling through the silent night. Okay, so you can do silent night if your director says to, but more than likely it will just see voices singing in the sky, calling through. Okay, so palm goes up and goes through, calling through the silent night. This hand is flat in front of you, all your fingers together forming a platform. Right elbow goes on your left fingers, hand is flat, and it comes down like the moon going in around the bottom of the earth. Okay, once again, the second part of the first verse is: the stars fill my eyes, strange and beautiful sight. Voices singing in the sky, calling through the silent night. Okay, and then brings me to my knees. So you have both hands are flat like this, like you're going to hold something, only you're going to come up like you're bringing something into you. Okay, almost like you're going into the position to hold a baby. So brings me, hand flat to your chest, to my knees. Okay, brings me to my knees. You fist, raise your two fingers like you're going to show the number 2, crook them. So you got two fingers, crook them. Okay, this is knees, brings me to my knees, like you're bowing down, because that's what you're doing. This is actually the sign for bowing, not knees, but that's brings me to my knees is what we're doing. So brings me to my knees. Okay, so that is the second part.